Hello? Hello? Am I live? I'm pretty sure I'm live. 1 minute. Am I live? Yep, I'm live. I'm live. Okay, this is my first time streaming with like OBS directly with YouTube Studio 2. So I'm gonna see what I can do here. I'm gonna quickly log in here. Okay, I'm logged in, and I will now turn on my camera. Okay, so yeah, it shows my camera here, and it shows the computer. This is perfect. Now, I am currently making an IRC server using devc++ main.cpp. I'm guessing you can't see the entire thing, so I might need to, if I can, I might need to, what are these buttons? I might need to lower my brightness, by the way, so I'm gonna try that. Display, switch to classic view. Display. Settings. Advanced. Monitor. How do I lower my brightness? Is there no brightness lower thingy? Medium 16-bit. What does this do? No. Need to think. No, there's no way to adjust brightness, unfortunately. So, oh, hold on a minute. I'm logging into the chat here, to the control panel. Or no, wait, I have the control panel right here. Boom, wait. Boom, perfect. Boom. That should be good. I'm guessing you still can't see it, cause like I can't fully type, right? So I might just have to type like, yeah. You guys are gonna have to look at it like not like this, like this. So I can't type that well on here. First step to fixing some things, figuring out why user host doesn't work, because I have my IRC client. I'm gonna just try deleting user host there for a minute. Compile. Yes, there you go. Devc++. I'm gonna try connecting. Yep, just spams user host, and then MIRC freezes. Then I'm gonna have to open task manager and end task. Boom, killed it. So here, user host markup, it just keeps sending and sending and sending, right? So I need to fix that. Where is it? Yeah, right here. End client object dot client has user, and we reverse that, so it's if client has user is false. That should do that. Merc 32, MIRC 32. Boom. Yes! Can I join, for example, join channel high? Yo! I loaded a channel! IRC mode high. Whoa. Private message high, whoa. Okay, so, I need to, because right now, it receives private message, but it doesn't really, it doesn't parse it and send it to the other clients. So I terminated that. I need something here to have the, okay, else if line.find priv message equals 0. Okay, now I will do got an idea. So we're gonna do standard string channel, no, args equals, so private message 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8, remember 8, line dot subster 8. That's the arguments. If args.c stir 0 equals hash, I'm going to add a comment here. This is code for sending message to channel. Nice. This is probably going to be pretty easy. We just have to loop over all the clients and sockets, sorry. Loop over all the clients, and then send a message to each socket. Right? So, need to figure out how to do that. So it's right, int size equals int size equals clients.size, and we're gonna do for int I equals 0, classic for loop, equals clients.size I plus plus. Boom. Now we are going to do if clients I dot client nick does not equal does not equal what? Does not equal client object dot nick dot client nick. So I'm going to make this entire code here proprietary until I finish the project, at which point I will transfer the code from this laptop right here, the dev-c++ project, and I will throw it over onto the GitLab. So onto a GitLab. So how do I send exactly? So I have an idea of how to send it, right? But I don't know how to actually sort of send it, right? I need to think. Hold on, wait a sec. Okay, I'm back. Yes. Okay, now I will quickly leave to go grab something. Okay. Have this. And I'm gonna search the IRC protocol. IRC client protocol specification. Got it. I have the docs. have the files for this. So private message. So where is that? Okay, so I gotta scroll all the way up. Scroll. Yes, okay. So connection messages, server record using in command, sending messages, private message. Okay. Yeah, that seems good. Yep, got it. Found it. Nope, I accidentally closed it. Okay, so I have these specifications right here. So, output plus equals colon space, right? So first I have to actually, I need to like initiate output, right? Output equals nothing. No. Stir string output equals standard string nothing. Boom. And then output plus equals client object dot client nick, and that should do it for a little bit. Then we do priv message, and then we need to like have a so I'm going to change the client object a little, and I'm gonna make standard string client current channel. Boom. Client current channel. So that's a new thing where if a user joins, then I will, so current channel, right? It's setting up everything, but before leaving, right? It's going to do client object dot client current channel right here equals current channel. Oh wait a minute. Okay. Back. Now. Okay. So, channel name. That should be it. Client current channel name. That's good. So then down here, that makes our lives easier by doing, so right here, private message, we can do output plus equals. This time we can do client object dot client current channel. Now we can do, wait, I added 2 semicolons. Output plus equals, space, colon, and then that should, even if it crashes, I don't really care, honestly. ISO forbids comparison between pointer and integer. What does that mean? Okay, that should be a little easier then. Args dot rfind, pound or hash, whatever you choose, equals 0. Yes, that means it starts with it. That means I can compile now. Yep. Now I can open IRC 32 and tap the little OK and connect button, and I'm connected. Now I can do Cyber Cafe, for example. Hi. Yeah, perfect. So, I just wanted this, honestly. Wait, what? What? That's... What? Oh! Oh, that's what that is. So we have to... So I disconnected that. We're disconnected from the server. And args, line subster 8. Okay. First one. So client object dot client neg, yeah. That's normal. That's all normal. But now. Oh, ooh. Okay, so that's gonna be a little hard, seeing as I'm working with C++ 98. I'll try. So line substrate, that gets all our arguments. Send clients I dot client socket. we send them the output. And then output.size. Oh wait, output.cstir. And then output.size 0. Boom. Now, we need something here. Yeah. Size t pose equals text dot find. Find position of the first colon. We want colon. If position does not equal standard string endpost. Boom. Standard string result equals text.substir post plus 1. Standard, no, not standard cap, sorry. Result, right up here. Result, standard string, nothing. Boom. Now, standard string. We do output plus equals result. That should work. Text. Oh crap! I forgot. Args. It's args. Does not equal, not does not plus. Seeing as I copied this from Google, this is pretty much expected. Now, let me try. Okay. Connect. Yes, that's normal. Well, this cyber cafe went on. Hello. xpIRCd has encountered a problem and needs to close. We are sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Have fun. Printf server output. Let me just see what the server is sending back here. What does the server doesn't send anything back? That's weird. Let me do like just test, for example. What if I'm gonna delete this right here, and no wait, first I'm gonna move result up, and then I'm gonna just delete all of this and just make result hello as a test. Hello, exclamation mark. Boom. Connect. Casual. Hi. Boom. Crashes. Why? We don't know. I wonder what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's the equals here. Yep, that was it. That was it, boys. That was it. Oof. Let's go. We can successfully do that. And I'm gonna delete this. Why did I close MIRC? Okay, so right here, we've confirmed we want private message here. Private message. So we only have for users right now. We only have it for users. And we're gonna do else if args.rfind. No. Not args.rfind. Oh wait, we could just do an else. I forgot. And now from this we could just do the same thing that's here. code for sending message to user. Okay, now private message, not client current channel, but we want, so we just want the, we want to split it, right? Like a space. Not client object, client current channel. We want output. Think here. No, we want to split it up, right? Like, so I need to think here. 1 minute. I'm going to pause the live. Hello. I have moved locations. So I want to use it. Take it. Okay, so client object, client nick. That's okay. Client current channel, we don't want that. We need to figure out how to split. 1 minute. But after trapping my friend Nick up in the basement for a few days, he figured out this plug in that generator mesh behind the snake's head. Beautiful. But I don't know. It looks a little. So we erased all of Pico's work. Instead, we buttons of balls. Dude, I'm trying to do a voiceover here. But with such variable names as remove balls and balls wiggling, we made a system that let us spawn in a bunch of balls that would follow the player around the map, like a breadcrumb trail.
Okay,
And with
I'm
that,
back.
we had a working snake, which still looks like a. The game still wasn't playable yet since we need a map, and since I'm allergic to
Okay, we have our IRC thingy here,
and Google Helper. Now, we're gonna do size underscore t post equals s dot find space, right? Standard string first part equals sub. Wait, not s. Args. Right? Args dot subster 0 pause. That's it. We did that. Now you can do output plus equals. Oh wait. The command is priv mess. Oh wait, no, never mind. That's wrong. First part. Not first part. Other Nick. Other Nick.
It's not that simple. Have you ever wondered why multiplayer games take so long to come out? It's because you have to sync all the players' screens together when you get server. You have to sync your partners. You joined late.
I think my dad desynced.
And then on top of that, you have to get your friends' IPs. And well, you know what happens when I get my friends' IPs. Nope, hold on.
Dude, did you DDoS me?
Luckily, Unity has a better system where we just send invite codes to each other and it all works magically over the Unity cloud. Thanks, Unity. Very awesome.
Other Nick. Boom. We did private message. We implemented private message. Now I'm going to open 2 MIRC windows.
It's so bad.
So instead of this one, we do Marco 2 as an example. So we have 2 MIRCs here. They're both gonna connect to the exact same thing. Watch. Compile. Broken. Through non-pod type. What does this mean? Warning. Redeclaration of size t post. Okay. I did that wrong.
Onto the next feature on the list. Apples. Normally these would just give you length and snakes, but we decided to turn them into power-ups, since otherwise
Size t post 2.
But now with
Post 2.
Well, it looks a little something like this.
Boom. That should. Yep, it compiled. Okay. So I'm going to connect client 1 to the All Night Cafe. And then I'm also going to connect client 2 to the All Night Cafe. No, not to the beginner. To All Night Cafe. Marco 2. Marco. So right now they don't broadcast anything. But I'm going to do hello. No! No! Why? What happened? No! Message. Hashtag all night cafe hello. Yes, that's what's supposed to happen though. Why does it not work? That's weird. So that should just compile, right? But the thing is, it doesn't just compile. All night cafe there. Connect all night cafe here. Hi. Yep, crashed. What is the error report? What's the error report in this situation though? So I do that and then connect all night cafe. Connect to all night cafe again. And now that should send the error report. Click here. xpIRCd app ver 000 everything 000. Technical information. Where did I crash? Nice. That shows literally nothing. I don't know what I'm looking at here.
Where if these two axes align, everything breaks, the world ends, no game. Unity already does most of this for us though. So thanks Unity, very awesome. With the explosion effect we used for the missile, we came up with another idea for an explosives power, where explosions constantly go off around
I need to think. What am I possibly doing here that just won't work?
It was pretty OP like this though, so we turned off the laser while it was active, and it was balanced enough. The map was getting a little bit cramped now with all of these different power-ups around it, so we need to think outside of this 2D plane to come up with a solution. Wait, outside of 2D, I turned Snake into a third-person shooter. Third-dimensional gameplay, going up walls, shooting snakes on those walls. Genius. All we had to do was make a new map inside of this hollow cube, add in some obstacles, make it polished, and we were pretty much finished. But the map was still kinda ugly and boring, so the logical solution was to add more objects around the map, like this mirror, which you can shoot lasers at to do this. but we still need more features
Okay.
since this video's runtime hasn't reached 8 minutes yet.
Need to think
If you
here.
enjoyed this video, you should
So
smash that subscribe button since we're only one subscriber away from 1 million, and you could make a difference. To come up with a new feature, we need to go back, way back, to 2009, Minecraft, TNT. We're adding TNT. After scanning the internet for the Minecraft TNT texture and stumbling across a rabbit hole of people reselling Minecraft textures for money, I couldn't find anything without a watermark on it. So we needed to dig deeper into the source code of Minecraft. Extract the yottabyte, del D. Extract the yottabyte. Locate TNT texture, acquire, extract the texture and the yottabytes. And there we had it. A beautiful TNT texture, legally acquired and put into our game. And let's just say, it blew pretty well. And we added this destructible crate to fill in the rest of the map. With the map now complete, we just needed to finish the gameplay loop. And there was a big issue with it. The way we currently ended the game was by running a timer and waiting for it to go out. The biggest snake by the end of the timer wins, which felt like a kind of boring and anticlimactic ending to this high-octane gameplay. No, we needed this game's final stage to be cinematic. We needed an ultimate final battle arena, UFBA for short. To do this, we would give the player a warning that the final battle would be starting, and that they would have to move to one side of the cube before all the other sides drifted away, and oh, that's not good. The math behind moving the sides of the cube was a little weird, so I need to use our sponsor, Brilliant, to help. The equation I was struggling with was logarithmic. Luckily,
yep. So no recipient, no such nick, no such server. Okay. So real quickly, I'm gonna fix some bugs. Not the big bug, right? So, not the big bug, right? So I'm just gonna show like, I'm just gonna fix some small bugs.
I have an idea for a meme. Don't know if it's gonna work, but I really want to try it and just see how it goes. Let me pull up the reference image real quick.
Okay. Up here. So I'm gonna do. What if I can do. Yeah, okay. So, this right here. Result. Client current channel. That could fail, but we're gonna look at that later. Private message, no such nick. So I need to look at no such nick here.
I thought this would be easy.
I'm gonna do bool found equals false.
Moving.
If that found equals true, and then we just break out.
This is easier than chocolate.
Else, so it's just gonna stay false forever. But then we're gonna go down here and we're gonna do if not found. I'm going to do. I'm gonna do standard string output. No wait, output equals.
$1,000 mine. Oh gosh, what does King Arthur say when he pulls a sword? I am king. Oh, gravity, help me. I am king. Give me my money.
Okay, so
Get crazier and thinking, Putty at.
xpIRCd 401. So 401 and then space client object dot client nick, and then output plus equals.
Not even necessary. Well, at least I have my rule. Well, at least I have my. Will you please?
No such nick slash channel.
Well, that doesn't mean you have to do it.
Send
A phone?
client socket.
No. Use a calculator.
Output dot size 0. Boom. So we did it when there's only one like something something. I can't remember.
You gotta be kidding me. No answering 6, 7 in the halls.
Can't pass objects of non-pod type.
Hey, Baldy, you know what you being events remind me of? What? Among Us in the halls. Oh, yeah. Problem 1. Your
I need to check this. Through ... call will abort at runtime.
Problem one. Just kidding. There are no problems. You're completely bald. That's very nice. Your head is very shiny, very smooth. And your shirt is the same color as your pants. They're both blue. And I think that's pretty nice, actually. You add some. You're
Boom.
a great brother. No air.
I'm gonna do like /join hashtag hi. Yes, I'm joining. Hi. That doesn't crash. That's good. So, I'm going to open another client here. Boom.
So yesterday I posted a video where I said
Article 2. That's good.
like this a lot, and then I looked at my comments and bruh, it's a reference to the hit Golden Dandelion meme, but now in a new format. Look, another one. Yo,
Nope,
new
doesn't
meme,
work.
guys. This one's pink.
Private
This
message,
one's blue.
Marco.
Then in the video before that,
Hi.
I said, don't exit the game. And then in the comments, bruh,
That doesn't work. Why?
becomes a new meme. Bruh, guys,
Hmm.
do not make this the new biggest meme, guys. Come on, do not do that. It's a gold.
This is genuinely fascinating. Why does this not work?
Tiny bed can literally rest.
But no, I need to check what the server is returning. So I'm gonna terminate the client. Not the client. In here, printf server : %s output. Right? And then do the same up here. %s/n.
To talk to a customer, please press 1.
Boop.
The two were models, and they love to strut their stuff. I'm lost.
Crashed, man. It keeps crashing because of the stupid print. Seaster.
Anybody could be good to you. Story time. Little did she know the mysterious figure creeping up behind her. Story time. In every group of friends, there's the dumb one. Really?
Okay.
Of course, honey. It's not gonna hurt you anymore. Caution.
Marco, priv message up. The stupid space, dude. The space. I need. Look, private message. It returns.
No.
Yeah, so there's no space in here. That's what the problem was.
And he's always gonna be there for you. Story time. She had been waiting her whole life for someone to sweep her off her feet. Story time. The man was about to step on a snake. On a snake. He missed.
Okay. And then down here, I'm also going to add output plus equals
The lad would prefer
/r/n because I've found that the IRC protocol is stupidly strict. Holy shit.
The teacher slaved over the board. She stared at Thomas with a mighty rage.
It was then that he realized while reading his mighty man swear, and he had
Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hello?
Really?
No!
I'll give you right back.
Why? What happened and why did I have to close the server so early?
Lot of style.
Beginner. Beginner. Hi. That goes there. Hi. Hello. That all goes there, but then I type help. It crashes, man. What happens?
Dude, I don't know how I got an A. There's only one explanation. Or I studied. Yeah, with that. Story time. It was common law that a flower be presented to the loveliest lad.
Well, and of course that too.
Okay, pull over quick. Put these off. License and cricket. What? Nobody's here. Open that. Devil call. Devil call. Story time. She had no clue she was about to run into.
This
a
is
branch.
weird.
That was no.
This is stupidly weird.
Story time. On this blessed day, the two proclaimed their love. Oh shoot, that's okay. What was the name of that kid show, man? Fiddler Days of the Devil.
talk to a customer, please press 1. Story time. The two were models, and then
Need to think. Okay. So,
Yeah?
private message.
Mommy, are there girls on Mars? Seriously, where do cows come from?
it's cool if I just pee in the drawer, huh? Right?
No.
Down on the walls out here.
Hmm.
You down?
No. What?
Huh? Isn't that
Can I-
part of the dream where I'm going, I don't like you anymore, Mom?
I need to think. Okay, so I'm going to what should I implement next as a command? So the client itself, it has like lots of these commands and things, right? So if I do I need to implement this like bar right here, right? So I'm gonna go find the join command. Go up. MLTD, authenticate, pass, join. Right here, join. Now, boom, got it. So, I'm gonna go up to join here. I'm gonna implement this thing and then I'm gonna close the live stream. So, there's this right here, right? So, what I'm going to do, I was gonna loop through the clients and send a specific line of text. Okay, I need to, output equals standard string colon, and then that's it. Because then we're going to do output plus equals client object dot client nick. That's the nickname. And then we're going to do output plus equals space join space, and then we're going to do output plus equals plus equals current channel name. That should work theoretically. And then we're going to do int size equals clients channels dot size. We're gonna do for each channel for int I equals 0, I lower than channels, I is lower than size, I plus plus. Boom. That's okay. Then we're going to do if channels. Oh wait. Yeah. So if channels I dot channel name equals current channel. No wait, we just have to loop through the channel clients, right? Current channel clients right here. Boom. If clients current channel clients I dot client nick, client nick. Crap, I deleted the whole line. Does not equal client object dot client nick. Then it will send the message out to everyone. Boom. We're gonna do send current channel clients I dot client socket. output dot cster output dot size 0. That should work. Theoretically, that should work. Forgot the semicolon. Size again, I guess. Dot size. Forgot the dot size. Now, it's gonna connect. We're gonna connect to All Night Cafe. Right there. Marco. Now on this one, we're gonna reconnect All Night Cafe. Did it work? Nope. Oh man. Did this show anything? Isn't it supposed to send? Maybe lower than or equal to size. Maybe that should fix it. Or is that just gonna do an out of bounds thing bug? On that. Yep. That was it. Boom. Boom. Delete that. Control S. And wait a minute. Didn't I already do that? Or am I just not thinking correctly? Yeah, no shit. I already did this. I'm dumb. 1 minute. What? What does join? What does the server even send when to the other clients, right? What does it even send to the other clients when a client joins? I need to think. So that I implemented this, not this specifically, right? So that, yep, that's literally the only thing that it sends. So I'm gonna scroll up here and resend this thing right here to all the clients. So it's gonna go for size equals current channel clients dot size. Boom. We're gonna do for int I equals 0. I is lower than size I plus plus. We're gonna do this up here. Boom. If current channel clients I client dot client nick equals does not equal client object dot client nick. No, wait. We can just do this, right? So it sends it to all of the sockets. No, wait, that's wrong a little. That's correct. Delete that. Current channel does not equal channel. Send current channel clients I dot client nick. Not dot client nick. Dot client socket. Output dot c stir. Output dot size 0. That should send it technically, theoretically. And if I close this, reopen. Wait a minute, I think I know why. This private message here doesn't work. Maybe. Nope. Both of them are fine. So, here. Connect. Beginner. Connect. Beginner. That specifically. Why does it do that? I don't want it to do that. Maybe in private message. All Night Cafe, both of them. Both of them closed for some reason. What happens? Oh, I think. What happens if I connect this one and then this one? Does it crash still? No. But this one updates. Yeah, Marcos joined All Night Cafe, but here it doesn't update. Which is not good, right? Here I send hi. Here I can send hi. That crashes. So it seems like only the second client in the server can send messages. Only the second and more clients, right? So if I set it up here, right, like that. Yeah, it's set up. So this is the final test of the day. Connect here. All Night or beginner. Beginner here. Here it shows Marco and Marco 2 connected. This is another chat window with me. That crashes because I'm the client that's like sending it, right? So if I reconnect here, or wait, right, I forgot to. How, there's an option to print your script? Damn, didn't know that. No, I joined the wrong room. Commands, join channel, beginner. Yep, placeholder is placeholder. Nickname is already in use. What did I and here too. Placeholder is in. So my name is placeholder. Erroneous nickname. Nick High. I'll make it high. Why not? Beginner. Placeholder is doing again? Why? What am I sending here? Marco placeholder, placeholder, placeholder. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it so that if you're placeholder, you physically can't join the thing, right? Join right here. Error cannot. No such channel. No. Channel is full. 471. I'll just send 471 back. So where was output created here? Yeah. I'm gonna do standard string output here. What if it fails though? So I'm gonna make it colon xpIRCd 47. No, not 471. Well, yeah, 471. No, not banned from channel. Banned from channel actually. 474 space. Then I'm going to do output plus equals. You know, yeah, I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. I'm gonna undo some changes here. Save. I'm gonna do one last test. Boom. Compiling. Here, disconnected. And here, disconnected. Boom, both of these. Connect. Beginner. It's Marco. Beginner. 2. Yes, Marco 2. Here it shows up. Here it doesn't. Now, difference here. I can chat here. Hi. As you can see, those appear. But then, when I send a singular message, crash instantly. Why? That's the only thing that's been bugging me since I started the live stream. No, since I made private message. Now, I'm gonna close it, shut down, and that's all, folks. I'm going to turn off the live stream in a bit. And yeah, so I hope whoever tuned in, I hope they enjoyed the live stream. Yeah.